I got one question. You guys ready? Are you guys ready for Saturday night Pro V? Are you guys ready for Saturday Night Live? Guys, get ready because we have an assortment of titles today. On tonight's show, guys, we're going to be talking about Keith and the freaking hundreds of debit cards and credit cards that he has stolen from one Marcus Price. Who the fuck is Marcus Price? You'll find out tonight. I promise you that. Who else has been locked up this week that's about 3'5", about 95 pounds, and runs about 100 miles per hour? We're talking about Itty Bitty, guys. Tonight, we will discuss Itty Bitty and her charges. Let me jump back to Keith when he had his domestic charges and did the unthinkable, the unforgivable to Christina. He beat her. He beat her up, guys. And that's something you don't ever damn do to a woman. Because if you do that, you're not a man. Not at all. You're a poquito way. Also on the show, guys, tonight we will be discussing all these topics with wife Jen, of course. Sweet Jen. Oh, sweet Jen. Say hello, Jen.
Hello.
Louder.
Hello.
Hey, stand over here.
Look here, motherfucker.
Look here.
Oh, what? You don't tell me what to do.
I flinched, guys. She almost. Anyway, guys.
We don't condone violence. I'm very sorry about that, husband.
No DVs in this household unless your name's Dan.
Oh.
Did I go there? I may have went there, guys. Tonight on the show, we may or may not be discussing the infamous Chomo Dan on the show. Oh, is he? Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, he was a club promoter in the early 2000s in Chicago, and some information may or may not have come to my attention, and was it or was it not the reason he was removed from my household? All these questions will be answered tonight, folks, and many, many more topics along with you guys in the chat, the live chat. Of course, shout out to the chat, guys. All of you guys, I love you. Make sure you're there tonight because, guys, the live stream don't always get uploaded. Oh, no, sometimes Pro V loses his mind and can't watch his mouth. So a lot of times we got to just get rid of that live stream. So make sure you show up tonight, guys, because it may or may not be recorded and put up for the archives. Thank you guys for the support. Guys, we have maxed out on our goal. We have hit above and beyond our goal. We are at 1,625 subscribers. That's 1,625, guys. Thank you to all the new subscribers, guys. I'll see you guys tonight. See you soon, guys.